This is what the inside of an AirPod Pro 2 looks like. A tightly packed wonder of modern electronic engineering, every piece fitting perfectly like a microscopic 3D puzzle. Inside this tiny shell lies a speaker, a lithium battery, a Bluetooth antenna, all working in harmony. It's smaller than your fingertip, yet powerful enough to bring your music, calls, and noise cancellation to life. 10 years ago, this level of miniaturization would have seemed like science fiction. So, how did Apple manage to fit an entire sound system, communication hub, and sensor network into something this small? Because what you're about to see isn't just parts, it's a story of precision, physics, and innovation. Let's take a closer look inside the AirPods Pro 2 and uncover how this tiny marvel truly works. This is a CT scan of the AirPods Pro 2 provided by Lumafield, a company that specializes in high resolution 3D imaging. Just like medical scans, X rays pass through the device from multiple angles, and a computer reconstructs a detailed 3D model. At the very top sits the speaker, the part that actually produces the sound you hear. Right behind it is a small cylindrical battery rated at 182 milliwatt hours. That's only about 2% of an iPhone's battery capacity, yet enough to power each AirPod for 6 hours straight. The battery itself weighs just 3 grams. That's an energy density of around 60 watt hours per kilogram. Not the most powerful battery in the world, but one of the most precisely built. Under a CT scan, you'll see layers: the cathode, the anode, and the electrolyte between them. During charging, lithium ions move from the cathode to the anode and flow back when the AirPod is in use. It's built like a rolled up scroll, layers of material wound tightly together for maximum efficiency. That tight packing really matters. Cheap knockoffs often skip that precision, leading to wasted space and poor performance. Bad packing means less active material, more heat, and shorter battery life, sometimes cutting it in half within months. If you've noticed your AirPods losing battery over time, CT scans reveal why. You'll often see faded patches inside the battery, dead zones where the electrolyte has broken down. These can form from sudden temperature changes, like moving from a warm room to cold air or from dropping them. Tiny fractures form, ions can't move properly, and the battery slowly loses capacity, a process almost invisible to the eye. Behind the battery lies the brain, the Bluetooth chip. Bluetooth might sound ordinary, but it's one of the most quietly revolutionary technologies ever made. It uses 2.4 gigahertz radio waves, the same band as Wi Fi, microwaves, and baby monitors. Because it's unlicensed and globally available, it connects billions of devices without special permissions. But that accessibility comes with interference. Imagine every home, every cafe, all transmitting at once. Bluetooth's secret weapon is frequency hopping. Devices jump between channels hundreds of times per second. That rapid hopping avoids crowded frequencies, maintaining smooth, interference free connections. To receive those signals, AirPods use a precisely shaped antenna hidden inside the stem. If it were placed deeper in your ear, your head would absorb most of the signal, weakening the connection. So, Apple moved it into the stem, away from your head, improving Bluetooth range and reliability. But fitting an antenna into that narrow stem wasn't easy. It's just 2 millimeters wide and thinner than a human hair. Instead of etching it onto a flat circuit board, Apple molded the antenna directly onto a 3D plastic cylinder. Lasers engrave the antenna path, then it's electroplated with copper and coated with gold for durability. The result? A flexible, corrosion resistant antenna that curves perfectly inside the stem structure. Connected to it are the sensors, cables, and microphones, each serving its own vital role. The small metal box near the base, that's one of the AirPods microphones. Smaller, but more advanced than most. Fake AirPods often use older electret microphones, tiny discs with permanently charged plastic that generate weak signals. Apple replaced that system with MEMS microphones built using silicon chip technology. They use two conductive plates, one fixed, one flexible, separated by just a few micrometers. When sound waves hit, the flexible plate vibrates, changing capacitance and creating a precise electrical signal. These MEMS mics are built layer by layer using photolithography, the same process used to make computer chips. Each mic includes a sealed cavity, a flexible diaphragm, and a tiny backplate, all microns apart. Apple includes multiple microphones, some outside, some inside your ear, to enable active noise cancellation. The outer mics pick up external noise, the inner mic measures what you actually hear, and the chip cancels the difference in real time. To keep all that precise sound natural, Apple uses acoustic meshes and vents, fine tuned to shape airflow and pressure. So, next time you pop in your AirPods, remember, you're not just listening to music, you're wearing a microscopic symphony of engineering brilliance.